Hi guys, it is Michelle and I am so excited because I have just received in the post a wig from Adherence, from Rene Of Paris. So they had a competition on Instagram just a while ago and I had entered and was so lucky to be the winner of a special edition wig. Now I was like, oh, special edition, I wonder what it'll be, and have had no idea. Anyway, they have shipped this to me, it arrived today and I was like, Evanna, Rene Of Paris EVANNA. I like Evanna, love some curls, love some beach wave, and then I was like, oh, I wonder why it's special edition. And then guys, it's because it comes in a special edition colour. I have received this in the shade Deep Ocean. I'm so excited. You can follow them at Rene Of Paris. You can follow me on Instagram at MiMo. Oh my goodness, I have just oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, I'm sorry, but how gorgeous is this? Very, very gorgeous. I don't know why this is not a colour. I don't know why this is special edition, because I'll just tell you right now, I love it. I've not even put it on, but I love it. This is proper blue. Properly gorgeous. So guys, let's just show you this wig quickly. Holy smokes guys, this is actually absolutely gorgeous. Look, this is actual mermaid hair. Yes, mermaid hair. This special edition is awesome. Rene Of Paris guys, please can you make this an actual shade on everything. And do you know what? Can I have a Kai in this? It's gorgeous. With this cap here, we have this lace front here, as you can see. We have a left-sided mono parting. Then the top, we just have the wefter covered over with this material here. We've got open wefted sides and back. We have a velvet nape and the kind of pull tab adjusters here to tighten up. I'm going to tighten it because my head is kind of petite. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. This was so worth the wait. So worth the wait. This is beautiful. Guys, you're a wee bit magic. Right, let's just put this on. I actually feel like I should be going and doing my full face with new makeup just to show. Holy smokes. Right, I can't actually see this. I don't even have a mirror in front of me, but wow. Ooh, look at the colours guys. Look at the colours. This is actually so beautiful. This is total high fashion, on trend type colours. This would be Evanna from the high fashion collection. This is a special edition shade called Deep Ocean. Deep Ocean, yes. I feel like I'm in a deep ocean. I feel like I need to sprout a tail and be a mermaid. I'm actually going to jazz up my face and get some cool eyeshadow on the go, and I will take some snaps and post this on Instagram. However guys, I wanted to show you this wig and the unboxing because oh my goodness, the excitement is unreal. This is amazing. Thank you so much Rene Of Paris. Thank you Adherence Hair Goods. I honestly am so grateful to have won this really cute special edition wig. This is amazing. I hope you guys do launch this shade in a few styles. We have these gorgeous dark roots. We have this, oh my goodness, these tones are just absolutely everything. They are good. Thank you guys. Honestly, I'm so grateful. I really do appreciate this so much. I'm going to quickly turn around and show you guys my mermaid hair. So guys, this would be my special edition wig, and thank you to Rene Of Paris once again. So guys, take care, keep sparkling, be your own beautiful. I'll be back soon with another wig review. Although this wig is not available to buy, certainly at the moment anyway, in this shade, you can buy Evanna from the high fashion collection in a whole multitude of other really beautiful stunning colours, and you can also buy it as part of the Amore collection, the Evanna Mono, which is a different cap but the same gorgeous awesome style. So guys, thanks for tuning in and I will speak to you all very soon. If you've not already, please do subscribe to my channel, and yeah, come follow me on Instagram. Let's be pals, let's be friends. I'll speak to you all very, very soon.